Hey, this is Carlin Wilson, and today's video is FlyLady Baby Step Day 15. So we made it, you guys. We made it to week 3 of the FlyLady 31 days of baby steps. I'm so proud of us. Even if you haven't been doing perfectly, because I know that I have not been, we are continuing to push through. We are continuing to show up and do what we can. As we continue to build these habits, they will become second nature and we will be doing them a lot more easily. So today's baby step is making your bed. And I think technically FlyLady says to do this as soon as you wake up in the morning, but I happen to have 2 small kids, and when I get out of the bed in the morning, I grab the baby, I get back in the bed, and I nurse him. And so I am going to pick a time in my day that is not necessarily as soon as I get out of the bed or first thing in the morning, but something that can trigger me to do it. So for me, I'm going to choose once I have both of the kids eating breakfast in their high chair, then I'm going to come back and make the bed. And so you can figure out for you what that trigger will be. I think for a lot of people, it does help them to say, okay, my trigger is as soon as my feet hit the floor, I'm going to turn around and make my bed. And so if that works for you, that's great. But do not force yourself to do it at a certain time. Pick a time that you know that you will do it consistently. So that's today's baby step. Please follow me over on Instagram. I'm trying to post more over there of what's going on with the baby steps and being able to hear from you guys over there. Subscribe to this channel to keep up with the 31 days of baby steps. And I have a link to a printable below so you can follow along with the steps as well and know what's coming up and not have to wait for me to post a video. I'm so excited to be doing this new week with you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.